Okay, so got everything put together. Gotta say, it rolls real nice and smooth, nice balance. And the whole thing is heavy duty. Nice premium quality hand truck. I gotta give it to them. VEVOR did a great job on this one. Big rubber wheels here. You are supposed to fill it up to about 30, I believe 30 PSI. Okay, let's see. Anyways, this one I'll probably fill up a little later. So you can see right there, 30 PSI. A couple tips when putting this together. I found that it was easier to put the wheels on last. So you'll put this part on first. These are the nuts in there. That particular one takes a 14 millimeter socket. And obviously you might want to have a set of pliers just to hold the back there. And when you're doing the top, which is for the handle, first you have to turn the handle out this way so it can be straight towards you and the holes will line up. And this one takes a 10 millimeter, see that guy right there a little bit, 10 millimeter socket to tighten that up right there. And also use your pliers back here for the lock nut. And then you can tighten that down. Again, easy to roll, fairly decent to put together. And here where it says open, you just kind of release the smaller wheels there and you just drop it down. Sturdy, well made. And I can't do it with one hand, but you'll lift these up when you want to bring it back up to the original position. All right, so definitely would recommend this. That's all I got. Thanks for watching.
It's quiet. Too quiet. Until, out of the depths, a giant emerges. It's heading straight towards Explode. A great white shark makes a surprise return to a whale carcass floating off the coast of Oahu, arriving just after photographer Mark jumps in the water to join fellow divers.
I was in the boat.